Okay, Michelle, for some reason this one didn't come through on my computer, but I have it on my phone here, so I just typed out the basics. Um, the weight that a horizontal beam can support varies inversely as the length of the beam. Suppose a 9-meter beam can support 1,200 kilograms. How many kilograms can a 17, meter beam support? So the key in the setup is the first sentence. The very first sentence says that the weight, W, varies inversely as the length. So weight varying inversely as length just looks like that, or K is called the variation constant. Okay, so weight varies inversely as length. So that's the equation that represents that first sentence right there. First sentence in this equation is the same thing. Okay, suppose a 9-meter beam can support 1,200 kilograms. So all you have to do is say 9 meters is the length, and the weight is 1,200 kilograms. Now, what writing this equation is going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to find this variation constant. So the constant for this beam situation we have here is, I guess, 9 times 1,200, which has a couple of zeros and 8. Let's see, 9 times that. I think that's 10,800. So now we can go back to our original equation. Now that we found our K, we found our variation constant, our original equation now becomes W equals 10,800 over L. Now we have an equation that we can use, and we can use it to solve any of these types of problems. Given some weight that we'd like to support, we can plug in that weight here, and we can use a little bit of algebra to solve for L, the length of the beam that can support that weight. And if you're given the length of a beam, we can plug in that length here for L, and just use a basic division to find the weight that that beam can support. This constant, since we found this variation constant, it doesn't change under this situation. So that constant stays the same. Okay, so what does the question give us? The question gives us how many kilograms can a 17-meter beam support? They give us a 17-meter beam. So that tells us that L is 17. So all we have to do is replace L with 17, and that's going to give us W. All you have to do is type that into your calculator. Sorry, I don't have one on me right now. And answer the question in whatever form they want you to answer it in. Probably they want you to give you some kind of decimal or something like that. So I hope that helps. Let me know.